Hello students, welcome to the last lab lecture, that is lab number 40 of Python for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IK Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. It's program number 40. Construct a Python program to write and append text to a file and display the text. Let f1 is the variable for file. Open. Here we have to give the path, and then write mode is there. Text document, file1 .txt. This one is the empty document. Go to properties and check the path. Copy this file and paste here. Then file 1.txt. You can do one more thing. You can delete the content over here and you can generate the file after execution. Suppose I am executing this one. Again execute. F1 dot, suppose I am writing something. Hello. Now execute the program. Okay. Let us change the slashes. Again execute. Now this one is okay. Now check the folder. You can file here the file. This one is the file. Now printing the content. F1 dot write. Then print F1 mode is W. Okay. Copy this one and change the mode into read mode. Then print F1. Now execute the program. Read mode is there. Okay. Let us check again the content. Suppose I am writing text is equal to F1 dot read, then print text over here, then execute the program. You can print hello over here. This one is the first file I have to write and read that particular content, whatever is written inside the file. Now refresh. or again opening the content, you can read here the file. Now the second step is appending of the data. Now how to append the data? You have to again open the file into append mode. Again copy this one and paste here and write A here. That is append mode. Now F1 dot write in the next line students welcome to file handling. Suppose this one is the appending data. After that, open again the file in read mode. Then text1 is equal to F1 dot again read the content, then printing the content over here. Print text1. Now execute the program. Look at this one. First sentence is hello and second is hello students welcome to file handling. You can print some gap over here after this line. Print after appending the data is. Now execute the program. Look at this one. First sentence is hello and second is after appending the data is hello students welcome to file handling. If you are not writing new line, you can print the data in the same line. Look at this one. Hello students welcome to file handling. Now check the file here. Look at this one. You can print the data over here also. You can find the data inside the file. Hope you understand the content of applying this data, and thanks for watching my videos. Thank you.